What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, bringing you another video. This is actually the same day I had the oil change on the car done. However, it will be posted a little bit later just because time allows that. So, this is why I'm wearing the same shirt. You know, the weather appears to be the same. It's equally as just scorching hot today. But I wanted to make a video talking about the new S650 Mustang. So now, I spied on Mustang 6G forums, shared on Facebook, of course. I'm not actually a member of any of the forums right now, but spied it on Facebook and figured I would talk about it. It is on Mustang 6G, but there were some renderings that came about. And this is supposedly what the new S650 will look like. Some of y'all might know, I own an S550, the 1850, and I really am in love with this car. I actually just got a rock chip, and it's like, it hurts. It hurts inside. Luckily, it's not that difficult to fix, but it's like, Unfortunately, if the S650 looks the way I think it is, this car, I'm definitely going to keep it even longer, because it's like, man, really hope it doesn't look that way. That's my personal opinion. It's not a terrible looking design. I'll post the pictures up on screen though, but we can see this rendering. Overall, not a terrible looking design, but it's a little bit Corvette looking. Definitely like has an even longer hood than the S550. The S550, you know, the proportions, it's definitely more sports car with the long hood, very cab further back design than in previous Mustangs, give it that more European style. This car that they've shown almost looks more like a two-seater. Like, how are you actually going to make that a four-seater? Part of the thing with the Mustang is the four-seater is almost a tradition. Like, I can actually fit people in the back seats, and they're not going to fit comfortably, but they fit, and I can go for a ride with four people here. So hopefully, you know, that this is just that, it's just a rendering, maybe it's a sketch that leaked. Also, I'm not too certain about the design, but it does look like they just directly kind of copied the back end in this rendering of the current car. You know, with the lights, with the, you know, everything as is. You know, not that there's anything wrong with that, it's just, you almost expect a little bit of difference. I expected to get the three-bar taillights. I personally expect that just because that's a Mustang tradition now. I don't think any of the Mustangs have not had that. I think they changed the direction on like the SN95 at one point to go to 3 horizontal bars, but other than that, they've never gotten rid of that. They've had at least that as an option on every Mustang, so that'll be something I definitely see happening. A little bit of just backstory with that rear plastic panel. It looks like in this rendering it's keeping. It sucks. Some people have said it on my car. I know when I first got it, I had a comment about, that must be a bitch to keep clean. It is. It is annoying. And in fact, mine is scratched. I was actually in discussions with the dealer and trying to get it replaced. If they are going to do that, either just paint it on or use better plastic. Just a personal bit of information. It's not a bad looking design, you know, when it's all nice and shined up and everything. But personally, I don't care for it. Kind of in a direct relation to kind of the classic Mustangs. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong on this. I know Camaros, it was a big block Camaro had them. I don't know if it's the same story on a Mustang, but I think it was like a big block Ford version of it. They're different. Maybe the Boss versions had it. It's a bit of history, but I could live without it. That panel annoys me because it just never stays clean. So, but anyway, I really do love the way this car pulls. Hopefully, this motor continues to pull just as hard as that in the future. This is just a little short vlog, just trying to get a little fun with the car while I move it, basically. I put it back in the garage anyway. I figured, well, I'll go for a little pull, have some fun while I'm out and about. Definitely while I'm outside, or just moving the car, moving it. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. What do y'all think about this new S650 Mustang? Do you think it's going to look anything like that, or do you think you know, they should just cancel that already, because that's Corvette-looking territory. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, take care.